Follow her. She is leading the kirtan.
Oh, okay, Prabhuji. I thought you are leading.
No, she is leading the kirtan.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, go.
Hare
Hello.
Hare Krishna. This one is working?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's for Hare Krishna.
Yes. Weird. Because these are very low, but that's very loud.
No, actually, Nagendra Kanya Mataji and Monica Mataji voice is soft voice. You can't hear. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Go there.
this Shravanam need to happen. This is the first step. And then what to hear? Actually, we have to hear about the God. Right? But we have only little Sudarshana Homa. Then when he invited all his friends and they asked him, what is this? Why are you doing all this? You are an atheist. He says that, in case if there is any power is there. So in case, anything else is there, I just wanted to, Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. And there is a Bhagavata, a person Bhagavata, who explains that in front of the Parampara, in the Guru Parampara, authorized Sampradaya. There are only few authorized Sampradayas are there. And stay where you are. Because Arjuna wanted to retire from the household life and he wanted to go to the forest. Krishna approved it. If Krishna is not approved Arjuna's request, Prabhupada also did not say that. Wherever you are, you keep doing it. Whatever the activities you are doing, keep doing it. But in your consciousness, you can feel that I am doing for Krishna. This is not difficult thing. But we are at a different level now. Sri Murti, deity worship. When the devatas inside our house, why this is recommended? Because when we wake them up and when we feed them, we dress them, we decorate them, we give them the bath. So the way a mother develops the love towards their kid, their child, right? When the child was born, mother had not that much love. Even if that much love is there, sometimes people, kids, children or babies are taken into that ICU unit. And the mother cannot go and find out who is their baby. It's very difficult. Right? But the love we are developing towards the child after we start serving them, taking care of them. The way they crawl, the way they try to hold the hand and we mother dress them up. All these activities. So similarly, this deity worship is also recommended in the bhakti. Because we get attached. Previously, I never had deities at my home. But we got the Jagannath Baldev Subhadra. Every night, and me and my wife, we both fight. I will make them to sleep, I will make them to sleep. And in the morning, I will wake them up, I will wake them up. So look at that. Previously, usually what we said? You take care of it.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath Swami, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath Swami, Jai Jagannath, Jai Baladeva, Jai Subhadra, Jai Baladeva, Jai Subhadra,
Prasadam is very colorful.
Colorful.
This is the beauty of this
So if
kind of
we,
prasadams.
when the bhakti begins, what is listen is one piece. When the bhakti begins, when we have the desire to know the spirituality. As long as we speak about the material world, it is the punya papa, only two things. But when we start inquiring it, about the spirituality, that is where our bhakti begins. And how can I employ that spirituality? And Krishna says that approach a bona fide guru and learn from them because they have seen the truth. Not that I like this person. That's why at least the minimum we should read the Bhagavad Gita. And when we read the Bhagavad Gita, it will impact us on our every level of our, even including our thoughts on it.